ऑर्डर के टाइम पे विच आई हैव परचेज फॉर $10 of the quantity, that is not mandatorily required कि I'll be getting that same raw material by $10. Maybe it could charges high, maybe it could goes to 12, 15 or so on. Correct? Now next we have self-confidence. Self-confidence is something which comes from within. जितना bravely या strongly एक मैन बिजनेस को चलाता हो, उस कॉन्फिडेंस से विमेन चला नहीं पाती है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ईच एंड एवरी विमेन, बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम विच इज बेसिकली बीन नोटिस्ड in the universe or in the enterprise, that yes, self-confidence is something which is required for running the business. क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे I had already discussed with you कि what are the major things that has been taken in the enterprises? Risk, innovation, new concepts. You don't have to be imitator, you have to be the creator, you have to be the innovator. So for that you need to have the self-confidence, correct? Which is somewhere, somehow lacking in the women. Next we have limited mobility. Now what do you mean by mobility? यहाँ से वहाँ जाना, correct. So is it feasible for women to get frequent relocated from one place to another place? No? Yes. So this is what we know called as limited mobility, where women every time cannot get mobile from one place to another place. If there is a business of a person, for example in Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh, that person can easily go to Maharashtra, easily come to Mumbai, easily can go to Chhattisgarh, or any of the places where the business is located. But for women, shifting from one place to another place would be a difficult one. It would be a difficult nutshell to crack. Correct? Next we have a family ties. Now what do you mean by family ties over here? करेक्ट, अलाव नहीं करना किसी विमेन को. एंड यस यस, घर वाले बांध के रखते हैं. ओके, फैमिली